Prezi has limited animation features. However, with those animation features, it does add another element to your presentations. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use those animations. So without further ado, let's get into it.
So to use the Prezi animation feature, there's a few ways to do it. On the left hand side, you'll see all your slides. So let's go ahead and actually click on one of these slides. All right, fantastic. So what we're going to do here is actually right at the top, this animation will animate the entire slide. So if you're clicking on animation, on the right hand side, you will see the options for animations. Now, it's very limited. It's either a zoom or a fade, but it is fantastic. It does still add another element to your presentation. If you want to go and use the animation feature on specific elements, let's say this photograph, let's click on this. You can also do the same here. So you have these options for this specific element. You can also select multiple elements just by clicking on an element, holding in control, and then clicking on another element and another, and you'll see this is now all selected, and you can use the animations for all of the elements that you have selected. There you go. You can now use your animations to improve your presentations. I hope this was helpful.